There you go, mister, on the house.
No, really, I must pay for it.
Ah, now go on, you have it.
Oh, thank you.
Says who?
Says who, says me.
Look, I'll pay for it, okay?
Are you looking for trouble, mister?
No, I'm just sitting here.
You know, the minute you walked in this joint, I just knew that you were someone special. At words poetic, I'm so pathetic that I always have found it best, instead of getting them off my chest, to let them rest unexpressed. I hate parading my serenading, as I'll probably miss a bar. But if this ditty is not so pretty, at least it'll tell you how great you are. You're the top. You're the Colosseum. You're the top. You're the Louvre Museum. You're a melody from a symphony by Strauss. You're a Bendel bonnet, a Shakespeare sonnet. You're Mickey Mouse. You're the Nile. You're the Tower of Pisa. You're the smile on the Mona Lisa. I'm her worthless check, a total wreck, a flop. So if baby I'm the bottom, you're the top. You're the top. You're Mahatma Gandhi. You're the top. You're Napoleon Brandy. You're the purple light of a summer night in Spain. You're the National Gallery, your gumbo salary, your cellophane. You're sublime. You're a turkey dinner. You're the time of the Derby winner. I'm a toy balloon that is fading soon to pop. So if baby I'm the bottom, you're the top. So if baby I'm the bottom, you're the top. So if baby I'm the bottom, you're the top.
I say, do you have a sister?
What's the matter? You bored with me already? Yeah.